Business strategy. You people may be thinking now, what is a business strategy? I think if you have heard the word business strategy, I think even you have come across growth strategy. And now you may be thinking, what is the interconnection between a business strategy and a growth strategy? In this digital world, if you want to grow as a businessman or a woman, at least you should be having a minimum idea what is business strategy and how to market this by using some opportunities. And you should be having a good communication skill and even ideas about recent trends and technology. It is like coming across a channel of variety of things into your world into a real time. Nothing to explain, but still I can simplify as you need to come across in a variety of intermediating knowledges and technologies by using this growth strategy to grow up your business. Simple. So some people will be thinking, a person in a short period of time, how did he gain that so much of popularity and how did he grow his business into a highest level? How did he do that? So I'll say to gain that popularity, you just be having a knowledge of business strategy. And if you start a business strategy, you should be knowing how to gain that strategy and how to grow using that strategy. So coming across growth strategy, even it is also as similar as a business strategy where you can compare the market share to your present current value of that share. Simple. So you can employ and expand your business by using a growth strategy by market penetration, product development, market expansion and diversification. Among all this growth, I say market penetration is the most hardest part of the growth in the business, and if you're having any other opportunities also to gain or easily enter into a business level, but still market penetration is the hardest part of the growth. So how can you do that? And how can you gain that? You can expand or employ your business and by using so many of technologies or recent informations or whatever, but still how can you get into that market penetration? I say getting into a market penetration and expanding your business is quite difficult. Some people will say, but I can give you the easiest tips about how to get into a market penetration just by having the planning, development, expanding and resource and verification process and how to get into all this in a single one-time term and get your market penetration easiest way to develop your business or an organization. You need to be having a strong foundation, means you need to be having a strong knowledge on this business strategy and a growth strategy. So if you are having a strong foundation, even the implementation and execution will be the very easiest part. Yes, if anything you know, which is you are having the complete knowledge, then execution and planning part will be very easy. So just build a community network where you can target the readers, so even you can explore more things and you can keep your networking alive. So I say just by keeping your networking things alive, you can expand your market and even you can penetrate your market expansion into this networking. So keep watching my video. In my next video, I will say what are the easiest steps you can get into your market penetration and expand your business. Thank you.